Hadn't got to do a video in a little while. And let me get this. Hold on a minute. Hold on, let's sit y'all down. There we go. I want to walk around here and check things out and see what we can see today. Tonight, sorry. It's always a little eerie up here because of the bear that... Ooh, what was that? That was the strangest noise, but anyway, of the bear that seems to not hibernate unless it's a certain temperature up in here, which is probably like that with all bears that they're out about right now, where the weather's been warming up and they don't know if it's going to stay warm or what, so they come out about right now when it's warm. Because yesterday it was like 50 degrees. I know I've not really got to do a video here lately, and I hate that. But my best friend Rachel, her father passed, and I wanted to be there for her, and I didn't want to take a moment away from that. I wanted to make sure to give her all the time and attention that I could through her hard time. But don't think that I don't love you guys either, because it's cold out here and it's late. And I wanted to make a video to, you know, make sure you guys know I'm still around. I love you. Wonderful, wonderful, scary holler at night. Holler at night. Bears are usually, they stay up in that holler right there. We'll stand here for a minute. Just heard some. Sound like a deer. Yeah. Around back down here. If you see anything, might have been a bear. It might have been a bear, but stay out of his way. Hopefully he'll stay out of my way. Got my bear spray on, so I'm pretty sure it'll be all right. It's really cold tonight. Hopefully they're all bundled up in their caves. Okay, we'll go back down here to the park. Walk back up into the other field. See what we could see up in there. Heard a couple little weird things I can't explain. I don't know what that noise was earlier. That was really weird. Let's go over here where I parked and go up the other field. Let's see if we see anything. Oh, it's cold. Takes your breath. Be out here tonight. I want to get this video because I've been absent y'all's lives for a little bit, and I don't like that. This is 200 acres of land that we have that we've had Sasquatch sightings, paranormal. I don't even want to name the other things. UFO, orbs. Things that don't make a bit of sense around here. We've caught on video too. Y'all seen that on my channel. Let me switch hands. My hands are freezing. Okay. Let's walk on out. So here, over here, when I was across the creek over there, up here's where I heard that sound. I don't know what it was. It was a little strange, but I mean, you're not going to know unless you look. Hello up there? Anyone up there? Well, guys, I know it's a short video. Know that I love you, and I'm going to be making more videos very soon. And keep Rachel in your thoughts. She's been dealing with a lot right now. I mean, everyone knows how it feels to lose someone, and my followers are very amazing. I don't like calling you guys out. You're my friends. You guys are very amazing, and I appreciate you being so kind and good to us. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Love yous big.